Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I am going to tell you how you can easily fix when your PIN in your VIVO X300 is not accepted, and how to fix that. So actually, there is actually no solution for this to have the no data loss. The only thing that you will have the no data loss is when you have the proof of purchase and you go physically to the brand service or authorized service and give them the proof of purchase and let them your phone unlocked and fixed. There you have to pay for it, of course. This is the paid issue. So yes, and this is the only way to have the recovery your phone without the data loss. The second option is to restart your phone to clear the temporary glitches, which is we can just check that if our phone does have any glitches. To do so, hold the power button and volume up button and swipe right to restart. This should fix our issue from time to time, because of course phones are the technology that is without any problems. Every single phone has its own problem, and yeah, that might be an issue on this phone, like not specifically, but it may occur sometimes. Don't worry. This is only a technology. Everything can have its own problems. Can have. Now, as you can see, it still doesn't. So what to do now? The only thing is that we'll have the data loss. To do so, at first we need to go to the recovery mode and factory reset our phone. To do so, we have to hold the power button and the volume down button until you see the phone goes off. And when you see it goes off, replace. Wait a moment. Let's do this again. Replace the buttons to the volume up and power. As you can see, I've clicked reboot by mistake. Let's hold these two buttons at the same time again, and now click the volume down button and click power on the recovery mode. This is the new recovery mode, not VIVO, not this old one, which for me was better, but yeah, it's only my subjective opinion. Here, tap this clear data option and tap clear all data. If you click that, you will be prompted if you really want to clear your data in your phone. You have to tap yes, and after that you will be having your phone resetted without any data on your phone, photos, messages, videos, etc. And you will have the setup screen. Then you have to set up your phone and remember your Gmail account and password and log in to your account here. Here, as you can see, in every single device that's new, they have something like Google FRP, and there are some bypasses for it, but I don't recommend to bypass it. Just remember your Google password and Google email, and you'll be all done. If you don't really want to clear data and you want to go back, tap restart and OK. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.